I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying requirements, game version, permissions, and a recent world backup to avoid data loss. Once done, enable cheats or grant yourself admin rights because creative toggles require elevated access. Next, open the command console or the world settings menu. This is where you will flip modes. Make sure to note the exact world name or player username, since targeting the wrong save can change someone else's progress. Now proceed to enter the command field or settings panel and prepare the toggle. Now you perform the switch. Type the platform-specific command or flip the creative toggle in settings and include the player name if required. Once executed, the game often confirms with a message. However, verify by checking your inventory, flight ability, and block placement. If switching for multiple players, repeat with each username or use a global setting to avoid omissions. Take a moment to adjust permissions so building tools are accessible, and make sure autosave is on before proceeding with large edits or builds. Finish by saving the world and testing core creative features like infinite resources, instant block breaking, and flight. This confirms the mode change took effect. Once satisfied, lock down any admin rights you granted so others can't alter settings unexpectedly, and re-enable protection plugins if needed. If things go wrong, no creative abilities or server rejects the command, reload your backup, or reissue the toggle using console admin mode. As a quick troubleshooting tip, check server logs for permission errors before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.